If 70% of professionals are using language that weakens their authority in emails, the chances are you might be too, especially in work emails. And the thing is, most people don't even notice they're doing it. Today, I'm going to share 9 overused phrases you should retire from your emails, and exactly what to say instead so you sound clear, confident, and professional. Let's get started. Number 1, so sorry for the delay. Instead, say, thanks for your patience. Why? Because it focuses on appreciation, not apology, and it still acknowledges the wait. Number 2, what works best for you? Instead, say, could you do? This gives a clear proposal and it makes it easier for the other person to respond. Number 3, no problem or no worries. Instead, say, always happy to help. It sounds warm, professional, and avoids sounding casual or dismissive. Number 4, I was just wondering if we. Instead, say, I propose we. You remove hesitation and show initiative. Number 5, I hope this looks okay. Instead, say, I look forward to your feedback. This invites constructive input without sounding unsure of yourself. Number 6, hopefully that makes sense. Instead, say, let me know if you have questions. It's more confident and keeps the door open for clarification. Number 7, just wanted to check in. Instead, say, when can I expect an update? It's direct, polite, and gets you the answer you need. Number 8, sorry, my bad, totally missed that. Instead, say, thanks for letting me know. It keeps the tone professional and focuses on moving forward. And finally, number 9, so sorry to bother you, but. Instead, say, I wanted to discuss. It removes unnecessary apology and gets straight to the point. Most people don't realize this, but our words shape how others see us. If your language sounds hesitant or overly apologetic, you can appear less confident, even if you're great at your job. The key is to spot these small habits and replace them with language that's clear, confident, and direct. Small changes can make a big difference to how your emails are received and how you're perceived at work. Try replacing just one of these phrases in your next email or even in your next presentation and see the reaction you get. I'm Craig, this is Higher English, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.